Alright folks, Edgemore Rapid here. We got LNC Train 12 coming eastbound past Circle S Ranch, the LNC main line at Knox Station Road. ST60M on the point with the RS5T horn. Everett Kelsey at the throttle. My buddies Lawson Cook and Ray Vernez. What is it? Looks like they cut his train in half. He must have stalled again somewhere, folks. Well, they've had a bad day. Alright, that was LNC Train 12 heading eastbound past Circle S, past Knox Station Farm. LNC main line. At Knox Station Road, LNC main line. Thank y'all very much for watching. God bless.